Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. So today, I finally got my test bench up and running, but before that, I had to solve a small problem. One of my power lines was too short from my power supply, so I went and got a connector from an old PC motherboard, and I had to make an extension cable. It is the 4-wire, 2 blacks, 2 yellow cable, and there it is. So let's go. So I'm preparing everything, strapping everything down on the test bench, and I'm going to swap a couple of hard drives in there, probably 1 or 2, to see if it's driving different operating systems, different OSs, and that'll be about it for the first run. So if you haven't figured it out yet, I'm trying to run a couple of old school OSs, have a couple of fun with them. I have a bunch of CDs and stuff for old school, the good old days. It's not like I don't have Windows 10 and whatever. I'll be messing around with Windows 10, Windows 7, etc. But I like to have a little fun with Windows XP, even 98 and lower. Let's have fun. Whatever comes, I'll run it. Get some Ubuntu over here. Get over here. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Booyah! Free calculators and all the other stuff it has to mess around with on this business, on these PCs. Woo! I do have a card support, PCI card support to make. For now, I don't need it. The card is not giving me any problems right now. It's not vibrating or anything. But I still will make this part to keep my cards screwed in tight. MSI. 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 And I'm out. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this segment. And I'm looking forward to see all of yours experiments and test benches out there. So go out and build yours. I'll be there. Bye.